Hey you all! Christmas is here and I guess you guys must have thought to gift a handmade painting, cards to your loved ones. So, without any further ado, let's get started. This is the material list. You can get all the details in the description below. Secure the borders with paper tape. Here I have drawn some basic sketch. Now, take a flat brush and dip it into water. Apply a clean coat of water on the paper. Take a round size number 6 brush and load some blue color. Start applying it over a middle portion. Here is a small tip. Always start with a lighter shade first, because if you use darker shade, it might overlook light colors. Clean the brush and load some purple color on it. Start applying from corners of the paper. Try to merge it with the blue color. If your color is getting out of the paper from the borders, just tap it out with the help of tissue. Take it to the upper part and fill the remaining area with the same color. Again, take a blue color and apply in the middle part. Mix it softly without dragging it, otherwise, you will get unnecessary patches on the paper. Now, if you want to add a dark tone from the corner, then add extra purple color. This step is totally optional. Here is a quick tip for smudging the colors. Clean your brush and remove color by taping on the tissue. Now, mix the colors with the same brush. If you want to lighter the middle part, then take white color and apply over it. To give more depth to the background, add black color from the upper corner and mix it well with the background. Use the earlier tip for this one. Our background is completely ready. Let it dry completely. Meanwhile, change used water and take clean water in the bowls. Take a black color. Here add a little extra water to the paint as we are going to paint background trees. Start painting pine trees. Now, take some white color and apply in the circle shape. Load some purple color on the brush and apply it in the middle part of the moon. Properly mix the colors. Again take white color and apply at the sides of the moon. Take a small size brush and load white color on it. Pick big brush and tap it on the small brush to make stars. Take a black color and this time don't use water, as we are going to make trees in front. As I have made a silhouette of Santa, I'm filling black color in it. Cover the upper and bottom part with the help of tissue, and make stars in the middle, just to give a magical touch. Now, carefully remove the masking tape. Hope you'll like it, and don't forget to subscribe.